In today's video, I'm going to teach you some effective methods to maintain an available status in Microsoft Teams. Now, as many of you might have noticed, Microsoft Teams doesn't come with a built-in setting that lets you keep your status permanently set to available, or as we often call it, green. This can be a bit tricky, especially when you're working on tasks that don't necessarily require you to interact with the app continuously, but you still want to appear online to your colleagues or team members. So today, we'll explore a couple of strategies to help you stay green and avoid showing up as away, even when you're deep in concentration on something else. Firstly, let's dive into adjusting your device's sleep settings. One of the main reasons Teams might show you as away is when your device enters either idle or sleep mode. The trick here is to prevent your computer from going to sleep. If you're on a Windows device, this is pretty straightforward. You'll want to head over to your system settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, choosing Settings, then navigating to System, and finally selecting Power and Sleep. Once there, you'll notice options for Screen and Sleep. You'll need to change both settings to Never. This is a crucial step because keeping your screen active ensures that Teams continues to read your device as in use, thus maintaining that all-important available status. Next, let's go through manually setting your status to available. Sometimes, you just need to give Teams a little nudge to recognize that you want to be seen as online. Here's how you do it. Open Microsoft Teams and take a look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or initials there. Click on that, and a menu should appear. From this menu, you can see your current status. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll get various options. Choose Available from the list. By doing so, you manually set your availability status, which can serve as a temporary solution when you know you're going to be stepping away from direct interaction with Teams for a bit. These methods are great for ensuring you remain available in Microsoft Teams, especially during those periods of deep focus where getting interrupted by status changes is the last thing you need. Of course, remember, these steps need to be adapted to your specific work routine to avoid scheduling conflicts or miscommunication about your real availability. Hopefully, these tips will keep your workflow smooth and your present status steady, ensuring minimal disruption to your productivity. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other queries or need further assistance with Microsoft Teams or other software, feel free to reach out.